We start there at 6. I'm David Usher.
I'm Natalie Pasquarella. The Trump administration has now asked the Justice Department to consider criminal charges against James.
What's up, Political Detox family? You already know. We cut through the noise, expose manipulation, and bring you the real story behind the headlines. New York Attorney General Letitia James, she built her reputation going after high-profile figures, but now she's on the other side of the investigation. Allegations of mortgage fraud and falsified documents are just piling up on Letitia, and federal prosecutors are watching very closely. This isn't just a paperwork issue. It's a pattern of contradictions, legal loopholes, and statements that just don't add up. So let's break down the 5 biggest lies that could put her in serious trouble. Let's start with lie number 1. The electronic signature that wasn't. Anybody paying attention, I know y'all remember when Letitia James claimed her power of attorney was signed electronically, letting her niece handle the closing. But documents that were uncovered shows a handwritten signature, notarized in person, with 2 witnesses, both from her own office. And lie number 2, the residency claim that doesn't hold. Letitia James stated publicly that her mortgage declaration about living in Virginia was just at the bottom of the page and barely noticeable. But not true. The statement was right in the middle, clearly confirming that she intended to live in Virginia. And lie number 3, the government witnesses she can't explain. Her mortgage paperwork was signed in front of 2 high-ranked employees from the New York Attorney General's office. The first Deputy Attorney General and then the Attorney General staffer. Why were government officials involved in this deal, you might question? And lie number 4, the old quote-unquote not a basis legal excuse. Letitia dismissed concerns, saying her power of attorney wasn't a factor in the mortgage process, but federal laws state that any false statements capable of influencing a financial institution is a crime. It doesn't have to be the main reason behind the loan approval. And lie number 5 is the Brooklyn property she won't talk about. So Letitia also owns a property in Brooklyn that's listed as 5 units, but her loan document says 4, likely allowing her to qualify for better mortgage rates and insurance. If she knowingly misrepresented it, that could constitute fraud. Now what comes next? Federal prosecutors are watching closely. Charges could be coming. Is this political retaliation, or is there something deeper here? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Political Detox for real talk, deep dive analysis, and the truth behind the headlines. Like, comment, and share. Let's get this conversation moving. Thank y'all for watching.